GitHub is a web-based platform that allows developers to store, manage, and collaborate on code. Think of it as a social network for programmers, where they can share their projects and work together seamlessly. At its core, GitHub uses Git, a version control system that tracks changes in files, making it easy to revert to previous versions or collaborate without overwriting each other's work. To get started, create a GitHub account. Then you can create a repository, which is like a project folder. You can add files, track changes, and even write documentation. Collaborators can fork your repository, make changes, and submit pull requests to suggest their edits. The process encourages teamwork and helps maintain code quality. Additionally, GitHub offers features like issue tracking, project boards, and GitHub Actions for automation, making it an essential tool for developers at any level. Embrace GitHub and unlock the power of collaborative